Hello, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to today's live class. Welcome you all to today's live class. Please, if you can hear me, type in the comment section or in the live chat section that you can hear me, please. If you can hear me clearly, type in the comment section or in the live chat section that you can hear me. I want to believe everyone here can hear me clearly and audible before we start. And while we are waiting for others to join, we want to say welcome because you are in for something great. You are in for something that you are not even going to learn everything that is going to be taught into this class in your school or in your lecture or by your lecturers. So I hope you can hear me, please. If you can hear me, type in the comment section that you can hear me. All right. I can see a lot of persons. I can see a lot of persons joining in. On Med TV, you're welcome. Ibrahim, you're welcome. All right. So because I want to start this live class, and once I start it, a lot of persons are joining, and I'll be going back to explain what I've done before. So please and please, if you can hear me, let me know you can hear me. So I want to say welcome to the final MTH calculator tutorial, which is actually mathematics calculator tutorial. This is our online meeting, and welcome. All right, so if you can also see my screen, or if you can't see my screen, ensure you do this. Go to the top right corner of your screen and switch the video settings to 1020p or the highest definition. All right, but if you can see my screen, you can also type in the comment section that you can see my screen. If you can see my screen clearly, you can type in the comment section that you can see my screen. Just type I can see your screen in the comment section. But if you cannot see my screen, ensure you go to the top right corner of your screen and switch your video settings to 1020p or the highest definition. All right, that is for people that cannot see my screen. Okay, for people that cannot see my screen. All right, I can see a lot of persons can see my screen because I will be showing you the practical aspect of how you can solve mathematics without solving. So you want to see what I'm actually doing. All your step, how to move to left, how to move to right. I'll be taking you in this journey of showing you everything, the practical step. So ensure you can see my screen. If you cannot see it, go to the top right corner of your screen and switch video settings to 1020p or the highest definition. Okay, let us dive into what we have. You can hear me in the comment section. All right, the first thing you have to do is what? Avoid distraction. Avoid what? Distraction. Stay in a very quiet place that no one is going to call you. In fact, I would say you should put your phone on DND. So you not receive any text message, any WhatsApp message, any call. Avoid distraction. Make sure you're focused on your phone screen or wherever you're watching this video from. The second thing you have to do is to get your writing materials. Okay, get your book, get your pen, because I'll be telling you to jot some things down. I'll tell you to be writing things down. So you want to do what I ask you to do. Most importantly, get your Casio FL 991 ES Plus calculator. I hope you can see my calculator. Get it with you. That's why I actually send people the link to actually download it on their phone. Probably after this class, they can watch it or they can go to their phone and get the step. You understand? And be willing to learn and to pay rapt attention. Be willing to learn. Don't just come here and to come and watch it or just to do the magic. Be willing to learn. Make sure you have this learning spirit in you now that you're in this class. and stay to the end of the class. Okay, there's no how you start now and you probably in the next 15 minutes you are gone. Stay to the end of the class so you'll be able to even grab the giveaway offer I'm going to give you after the end of the class. I just hope that is clear. If it's clear, write it's clear, sir. Just write it's clear, sir, on the comment section. Right? It is clear, sir, on the comment section, and I'll move on to the next slide. Just write it is clear, and I'll move on to the next slide. All right, all right. Welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Just write everything I've said here. It is clear, and I'll move on to the next slide. And I'll move on to the next slide. Okay, okay, that's more like this. I've seen a lot of persons are following. I've seen a lot of persons are following. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Now, why should you follow the instruction I'm about to give you today to solve mathematics? Why should you follow it? Because you're not the first person going to teach this. You're not even going to be the last. So why should you follow it? Why should you follow everything I'm going to say to you? Okay, let us look at what my students have been doing in the class with mathematics. Let us look at what they have been doing. This is one of my students. He came to me of recent and he was like, "Good evening, sir. How is everything? Sir, I have seen my maths results." So you can see, he said, "I have seen my MTH 111 results." He said in results, he got an A. So he said, "Thanks for making me a mathematician. Thanks for your tutoring, sir. God bless you." So this is my student. They know how you are going to attempt to judge tutorial and you'll be having B. It's not possible. A is always sure. There's no how you will come to tutorial like this and you want to do any mathematics exam. A is always sure. It is intact. There's no argument about it. Let us look at one of my students. Now, this is another student. This is actually the class he came for. The same class you are watching now, it's one of the class he came. He says, "Sir, I am sincerely grateful for how your video, especially maths tutorial free calculator, has helped me in my first semester 100 level. And then I pray that God Almighty will keep you, giving you that wisdom and understanding and enlightening." So you can see, this is actually one of my students again that attended a tutorial like this and is giving his testimony on my comment section. So there's no how you be in this tutorial and you're not going to gain a lot. That is why you should stay to the end of this class. You need to stay to the end of this class. Okay. So there's a lot we are going to learn. There's a lot of mathematics that can be solved without solving. By just looking at your question, you can actually solve every mathematics question without solving. So if you're talking about question, a lot of you have been making complaints. You want to learn integration, you want to learn differentiation, you want to learn limits. This is just some topic that I just listed there. We have limit at infinity, limit of a function, inverse of a function, discontinuity, domain and range of a function, differentiation, integration. So this is just the beginning. A lot of this can actually be solved without solving by just looking at the question. Your exam, you are going to be given little time. How do you want to solve 70 questions under 1 hour? It is not possible. You will just make a lot of mistakes. But when you can just look at your question and know your answer, then it's a very, very good start. It's a very good start. All right. So that is why I usually advise students to actually learn a lot of this. Come for a tutorial like this and stay to the end of the class and learn. And you can actually be in your house and be learning something like this. And it's very, very good than coming to class like this and wasting your time, energy. But just stay in class, stay in a very tight corner and learn everything I'm going to teach you. A lot of you have been saying integration. Today's class, we are going to start with integration. We are going to start with what? Integration. Are you ready? If you are ready, please drop in the comment section that I am ready, sir. Drop in the comment section that I am ready, sir. I want to see your fire emoji. I want to see your excitement emoji. Drop it in the comment section that you are ready, that we should ride on. Drop anything you want in the comment section, and we are going to slide on and start learning how to solve mathematics without solving. Just drop it. You can drop your emoji, you can drop your fire emoji, drop "I'm ready," ride on, continue, and we are going to move on to what we have in today's class. All right. I can see a lot of persons are actually ready for today's class. Okay, I can see the fire emoji, I can see the ready star emoji, and a lot of things. So just drop it in the comment section. I want you to bombard the whole comment section that you are ready, sir. Because there's a whole lot to learn in today's class. There's a whole lot to learn in today's class. Okay. Now we move over to what we have. Okay. Now we'll start from integration, like I said. Now for integration, there's two things I would like you to know before we move on. First of all, you need to know integration with limits. You also need to know integration without limits. Integration with limits and also integration without limits. Now, integration with limits, a question will come and said, evaluate summation 4 exponential 2x raised to the power of 2x with upper limit. They will usually give you a limit. They will give you something that is at the top here and something that is at the bottom in the summation. They will just tell you with upper limit of 1/2, lower limit of what? -1, respectively. How will you solve this with your calculator? If you see, there's none of my students that will see a question like this and start solving it with their hand. It is not possible. To just students know how to tackle this type of question with just your calculator. Within 5 minutes, God forbid, within 1 minute, 30 seconds, we are done with this question. So you don't need to actually waste a lot of time in your exam to be solving this question and start looking for answers. This question can actually be solved without solving. All right. So let us look at the step. Now, the first thing is for us to clear your calculator. You need to clear your calculator. After clearing your calculator, because you want to clear your calculator, you want to tell your calculator that please, I want to solve an integration question, right? So please remove everything, just like you are formatting your phone. Isn't it? That is where you clear your calculator. You are formatting your phone. So you clear your calculator. Number 2, because you want to solve integration question. I hope you are actually getting a lot of things down. Because you want to solve integration question, you need to set your calculator to what? Radian mode. By doing that, you're pressing shift mode 4. Actually, not 3, it is 4 actually. You're pressing shift mode 4. Okay, you know what? Let's bring out our calculator and solve it or do the same thing, right? And I hope you've written this question. Evaluate summation 4 exponential 2x with upper and lower limit of 1/2 and -1 respectively. Okay, let's bring out our calculator and let's get ready. I hope you can see my calculator on the screen. I hope you can see my calculator on your screen. If you can see my calculator on your screen, please just type I can see the calculator. Type I can see your calculator, sir. Just type it in the comment section that you can see my calculator. Just type it in the comment section that you can see my calculator. All right, because I want you to be following. I don't want anybody to be left behind. I want you to be following. Okay, the first thing I have to do, the first method they said we should what? Let's check our first method. The first method said we should clear our calculator, right? So to clear your calculator, what do? You press shift 9 3 equals to. These are steps. These are steps we used to master. Okay, if you are doing this every day, it will get used to you. It will get used to you. Okay, so let us bring our calculator. Okay, let's do it together. I want us to do it together. You press shift 9 3 equals to, then equals to. You see, these are steps. Now you can see your calculator has been formatted. Everything that I've done in the past or I'll be pressing in the past has already been cleared in my calculator. I hope you understand. So after that, what's the second step? The second step said you should set your calculator to radian mode. Set your calculator to radian mode, because if you want to solve radian integration question, like I said, your calculator should be in radian mode. If you want to solve differentiation question, your calculator should be in what? Degree mode. But when we use differentiation, I'll tell you what to do. Okay, focus on integration. If you want to solve integration question, your calculator should be in radian mode. So let's bring out our calculator. And we're pressing shift mode 4. Like I said, shift mode 4. If you're doing this a lot of time, it will get used to you. If you are doing this a lot of time, it will get used to you. So you're pressing shift mode. This is mode. Then see 4 is what? Radian. So you press 4. If you check your calculator at the top side of the calculator, you see R. That means your calculator is already in radian mode. Okay, but if it is D, it is what? Degree mode. Okay, we should use that one for differentiation. But now focusing on integration. Now, what's the next step? The next step said is what? Press the function alpha to bring out the integral sign. Press the function alpha to bring out what? The integral sign. The function is under alpha. Okay, the function that is under what? Alpha. This is alpha, right? What's the function under alpha? What is the function under alpha? This function, right? You press it. So once you press it, it has been integral sign. And the last step said which was impute your question by navigating and equals to get your answer. So what's the question? The question is this, right? Summation 4. The summation is already on our calculator. So I'm putting 4 exponential 2x, the upper limit of half, and what? -1 respectively. Let's go back to our calculator. So let's punch it. This is summation. So put 4 to bring out exponential on your calculator. You press alpha. Then this button here. I hope you can see my calculator. Okay, you can't see my calculator. All right, this is my calculator actually. This is my calculator. Okay, let me just do it again. You press this button here. So you press 4 to bring out exponential sign. You press alpha, this alpha here, and this button down here. Then we said raised to the power of what? 2x. So you are coming here over. That's why I said you should write the question down. Raised to the power of what? 2x. So you are coming to and pressing alpha and this button, because this button, there's this x here, right? So you're pressing this button. So you navigate over to this side. You navigate over to this side. Okay. You navigate over to this side and put -1. Because the lower limit was -1. You put -1. And the upper limit, you navigate and put half, which is 1/2. So 1 over, this is your over sign. 1 over what? 2. So at this junction, what I'm going to do, you are pressing equals to get your answer. So your answer to that question is this. This can actually be done under 10 seconds in your exam if you have your calculator with you. Please, I hope everyone understands. If you understand, please, I want to see. I understand. I want to see your emoji. I want to see your fire emoji. I want to see your best emoji if you understand this. And if you don't understand, you can also let me know. But if you understand, let me know in the comment section that you understand. Let me know that I'm actually talking to a lot of persons in this group. We're a lot actually. We're more than 50 here. So let me know you understand in the comment section, please. All right. Let me know you understand in the comment section, and we move over to what we have. Okay, I can see recap. Okay, please let me know you understand in the comment section, and we can move over to what we have. Okay. A lot of people don't understand, probably because you're just joining. I feel because you're just joining. This is why I actually wanted everyone to start together. Okay, let us go back to the question. Let's go back to the question. Now, this is the question given to us. Evaluate exponential. Evaluate summation 4 exponential 2x with upper and lower limit of 1/2 and -1 respectively. And what? -1 respectively. This is an integration question. This can actually be solved with your calculator, like I said. It can be solved with your calculator. And I gave a step to actually solve it. I said, first of all, you have to clear your calculator. I want you to master this step. You have to clear your calculator. You set your calculator to radian mode. I'm pressing shift mode 4, not 3. Shift mode not 4. Press the function under alpha to bring out the integral sign. That's integration sign. That integration sign, you press it to bring out integral. Please be listening. If you don't understand, please listen. Listen. Press the function under alpha to bring out the integration sign, and press the question in your calculator and press equals to get an answer. Okay, let's do it with my calculator. Let's do it. I hope the question is already written down already. So let us just do it straight in our calculator. Okay. Now here, let's clear our calculator. Pressing shift 9 3 equals to what? AC. Right? That's what we're pressing. Then after that, what are we going to do? We're pressing what? We want to take our calculator to radian mode. So we are pressing shift mode 4. That is radian mode, right? Then after that, you're pressing the function under alpha. We're pressing the function other alpha, and we are punching the question in a calculator. So we're pressing 4 alpha, then this button here, then raised to power of what? 2 alpha x. Then you navigate over to this side and put your lower limit. Your lower limit from the question was -1, and your upper limit was what? Half, which is 1/2. If we are pressing equal to get our answer, which is what? 5.16. 5.16 is the answer to this question. As simple as that. I hope those that don't understand now can actually do this by themselves. That is why you need to be taking notes down. You need to jot things down in a class like this. I hope those that don't understand now understand this. Please, if you don't understand before, just type in the comment section you understand, and we move on. Okay. Some people are telling me to go on. Okay, let us go on to integration with limit. Let's go on to what? Integration with what? With limit. Oh no, without limit. What we just did now is integration with limit. So let us go to integration without limit. They just tell you to integrate to something. How are we going to do that? So in this class, we are going to be learning it. Always from my screen now. I hope you can see what I have. Can you see what I have on my screen? Okay, that is good. Now moving over to integration without limits. Integration without limits, what are we going to do? You'll be given a question like this. Determine integral 2 sine 4x minus 9. How are we going to solve a question like this? How are we going to solve a question like this? It's very, very easy. It's what? Very, very easy. Now you're having A, B, C, and D, and this is like a multiple choice question. This is like a multiple choice question. How are we going to solve a question like this? So we are going to go to the method on how to solve it. We're going to go to the method on how to solve it. Now, the first method says you what? Clear your calculator. Like usual, you're doing integration, you have to clear your calculator. Then after that, you set your calculator to what? To radian mode. You set your calculator to what? To radian mode. Now, the third law is what? Assign S to be what? 0.1. Assign S to be what? 0.1. Okay, let us go to our calculator and we'll be doing the step. Let's go to our calculator and we'll be doing the step, right? So move over to our calculator. Okay. So first of all, you clear your calculator by pressing Shift 9 3 equals to AC. Right after that, you set your calculator to what? To radian mode. Don't forget, you're setting your calculator to what? To radian mode. So you are pressing what? Shift mode 4. At the top of your calculator now, you see that you have what? R. You have what? R at the top of your calculator. And what do you do after this? What do you do after this? Let's go to the method. Let's go to the method. You assign S to be 0.1. Now you can assign any number you want to assign, but someone is asking, must S be 0.1? It is not a must. You can assign 2, you can assign 3, but I like assigning 0.1. I like it to be uniform. I like everyone here to assign the same thing I'm assigning. I've worked with 0.1 for the past 5 years, and it has worked for me. It has worked for me. It has worked for me. If you are assigning a large number, your calculator might just hang. It will just hook. You understand? Because your calculator will pay a lot of work. So use 0.1. 0.1 is good. So you're pressing 0.1 shift outsell button and X. 0.1 shift outsell button and X. Let's go to our calculator. So you can see we're pressing what? 0.1, right? This is shift button. The outsell is here. This is outsell recall. So we are pressing outsell button, and this X, we are pressing it. So your calculator now, you're taking calculator. Please, anywhere you see X, make sure you use 0.1. That's what they're telling your calculator. Anywhere you see X, it should be 0.1. I hope you are getting it. Anywhere you see X, your calculator will be using 0.1. Then after that, let's look at our method. Input your question in your calculator, then it wants you to get a value. And that value that you get, make sure you write that value down. That value is your answer. But we need the answer in our option. But that value is our answer. We'll still come back and test the option to know if that value is our answer. So let's punch this question is without the integer sign. So you're actually punching 2 sign open brackets 4x minus 9 close bracket. That's what you're punching your calculator. So let's go to our calculator. You're punching what? 2 sign. I hope you've written the question down. So you press AC, you're pressing 2 sign open bracket 4 bracket already open, right? 4x to bring out x, you're pressing alpha x minus 9 close bracket. This is what you're punching your calculator. This is the question that was given to you. So after that, you're pressing what equals to get an answer. This answer, please, everybody write it down. I want to write my own down. Minus 1.4687. Make sure you've written it down. This is the answer to that question. But this answer is not in the option. The answer is not in the option. So what are we going to do? Please listen. What are we going to do? This answer is not in the option. What are we going to do? Go to our option. Our option is saying a lot of things. We're having we're having 8x minus 18 equals 4x. We are going to test this option in our calculator. Any option that give you that value we've written down, which is minus 1.4687, as the case may be, any option that give you that value is the correct option. See, forget about my explanation. If you are actually solving this, probably you've practiced it and it has gotten used to you. In your exam, this question you will not even spend up to about 1 minute. Between 45 seconds, you are done. So please just try and understand, try and learn, try and follow me to the end and understand how this is done. After this, I'll give you a lot of practice questions that will be practicing and to get used to you. So anytime you want to write an exam, you are going to really know what to do. So let us test the option. How do we test the option? This is method. After this method, impute the question, we go over to the next method. We should test the option by imputing each to get the value jotted down. So you press what? Shift integral. You impute the option, not question rather. You impute the option and put s as 0.1 because it's 0.1 we use. Assuming you use 2, you put s as 2. Let me explain what I mean. Let's go to our calculator. Okay, this is our calculator. We press what do we press? We press shift integral. This will come out in your calculator. This is actually differentiation. Integration normally it is the reverse of what? Differentiation. Integration is the reverse of differentiation. You understand? So you are trying to differentiate the option so you get the integral form. Oh, once you understand mathematics, everything is just going to be easy for you. So let's differentiate for first option. I hope you've written it down. The first option said open brackets. Let's open our brackets. Open brackets 8 x. You have to be fast, okay? I'm using the system actually, so I won't be able to point to that fast. You press 8 alpha x minus 8, then you close your brackets, then you press what? Cos, which is the first option, which is option A. Cos what? Cos 4x, cos 4 alpha x, then minus 9. Now, somebody might ask me this thing that why are we not pressing? Let's go back to the option. Why are we not pressing C? C is actually a constant. Everything has C, so you don't need to press C. You just press this. So this is what we just press in our calculator. Okay, so let's go to our calculator. This is our calculator. So you navigate, and this place you put X, you put 0.1. Why are we putting 0.1? It is because we assign. It's because we assign what? We assign X as 0.1. Assuming you assign S as 2, that's what we put. Assuming we assign S as 2, that's what we put. So we are putting what? 0.1. For those of you that are asking questions, I will reply your question shortly. Okay, I'll reply your question shortly. So I put 0.1. And after that, you are pressing what? Equals to get your answer. Now, this answer is not what we jot down. The answer we jotted was what? Minus 1.4687. That's what we jot down. And that is what we actually focus on. So let us try B. B is not the correct answer. So cancel A. A is not the correct answer. Let's try B. B is what? Minus 1/2 cos 4x minus 9. Let us try B. Let's try B. So at this junction, you can actually clear your calculator to bring out that differentiation. You press what? Shift and this integral. So let's try minus 1 over 2. Minus 1 over 2. Then you navigate to this part and put what? Cos. Cos what? Cos 4x minus 9. Cos 4 alpha x minus what? 9. Then you close your brackets, right? Then you navigate over here and put what? 0.1. This is a solve integration question. Very easy. Very, very easy. So you are putting what? 0.1. They are pressing equal to. Wow, this is actually what we jot down. Minus what? 1.4687. Wow, this is our answer. That means option B is the correct answer to this integration question. So you can see how I solve integration question by even without solving, just my calculator. Just take your book or where you'll be jotting your answer your calculator is giving you. Please, I hope you understand. If you understand how I got this integration question, let me know in the comment section that you understand. Drop your emoji, your understanding emoji. Just drop your understand in the comment section. Let me know that you understand this integration question. Because if you are doing a lot of integration questions in your exam, you will need this thing, you will need this format I just give to actually solve it, to actually tackle that question, to actually look for a way to pass through that question. Please, integration is very, very, very easy. If you understand, let me know in the comment section that you understand. Okay. Let me know in the comment section that you understand. Let me know in the comment section that you understand. For those that don't understand, probably I'll just do a recap. So you want to actually listen very well. You actually want to listen very well. Okay, let's do a recap. Let's do a recap. Now I want to go back to the question. Now this is the question given to you. Let's say this is your exam question, and you're saying determine the integral of 2x open brackets 4x minus 9 dx. How are we going to solve this question? Please listen. How are we going to solve this question? And I hope you can hear me. If you can hear me, let me know you can hear me in the comment section while I continue my recap. If you can hear me, let me know you can hear me in the comment section. If you can hear me, let me know you can hear me in the comment section while we continue the recap. All right, so we are going to have this question 2x 4x minus 9 dx. I want to repeat it, and you are giving option A, you are giving option B, you are giving option C, you are giving option what? D. Now, the first method is what? To clear your calculator. Now, you set your calculator to radian mode. That is very easy. Then you assign x to be what? 0.1. You're telling your calculator that anywhere you see x, it should be what? 0.1. Anywhere you see x, it should be what? 0.1. So you are telling your calculator, it's just like you're storing x to be 0.1. You are storing it to be 0.1. So let's do the first 3 steps with our calculator. Remember, the question is still there. We are just trying to do the first 3 steps. Okay, so you are pressing shift. We want to clear our calculator. Shift 9 3 equals to AC. Shift 9 3 equals to what? AC. So at this junction, what do we do again? At this junction, what do? We what? Set our calculator to radian mode. So we are pressing shift mode 4. That is what? Radian mode. Shift mode what? 4. At this point, you see that we have R. Yeah, your calculator is already on what? Radian mode. You have R. Good. So what do? We set our calculator to what? We assign S to be 0.1. Now someone asks, why is it 0.1? We can put any number, but tutor just like using 0.1. Your tutor might use 2. Anyone that is teaching you might use 5. But I like using 0.1. 0.1 is too small. So it will give you like a small answer. At least your calculator will be able to fight to get the answer. So how do we assign 0.1 in our calculator? We are pressing that 0.1. We can actually assign 0.2, 0.5, but I like using 0.1. So 0.1, you press shift, then you press RCL, and you press what? This X. Shift RCL, and you press what? X. That is it. Shift outside, then press X. So at this junction, what are we going to do? Let's go back to our method. Let's go back to our problem. Input the question in your calculator, then equals to what? To get a value. That value, make sure you write it down. So those of you that are saying you don't understand, I hope you've written, if you are getting this value, you're writing it down, because that is the answer. Okay. So you what? You input what? What do? We input the question in our calculator and press equals to get the value, right? So let's do that. Now the question, I hope you've written the question down also, because I've written it also and I know it. So without the integral sign, we're pressing 2 sine 4x, our bracket is open already, 4 alpha x minus what? Minus 9. Then you, after that, you press equals to get an answer. After pressing equals to get an answer, this answer you've written down, or you've gotten, write it down. I've written my own down. I've written my own down. So please write it down. See, if you didn't write the question down, you will just forget it. So your option, you start testing your option. You start testing your option. Any option that give you this answer is the correct answer, is the correct option rather. So that is the next step. You test your option, and by testing your option, what do? We press shift integral, input the option, not question, input the option, and anywhere you see x, put it as 0.1, because that what we initialize. I hope it's clear. If it's clear, let me know in the comment section that it's clear. Okay, let me know in the comment section that it's clear. So let us test the option. We're testing the first option. Let's go back to the question. This is the first option. We are testing it. Now to test it, we are pressing, let's go to our calculator. Okay. You press shift, this integral sign, this is what you are pressing. Shift integral. Then you press what? 2, because it's the first option. Sorry, the first option said open bracket 8x. So we are opening this bracket. Then you're pressing what? 8 alpha what? X. Anyway, you see the question, that's the option. That's how you're pressing it. Then you're pressing what? Minus 18. Then you close your bracket. Then you put what? Cos, because the option says cos 4x minus 9. 4 alpha x minus 9. Then you close your brackets. Now forget about plus c. Plus c is a constant, so everything has plus c. So you navigate over by pressing this button and press 0.1. Then press equals to. Now this option gives us this answer minus 55.95. It is too big. The answer we want is what? Minus 1.4687. That's the answer our calculator gave us. That's the answer we want. So let's test option B. You are pressing shift integral. Then we're pressing minus 1 over 2. 1 divided. This is divided rather. Divided by 2. Then you navigate over here and press what? Cos. Cos what? 4 alpha x. Then minus 9. Then close the bracket. Then you navigate over here and put 0.1. Then you press equals to. So you can see that this option actually gave us what? The answer we jot down. Isn't it? This option gave us the answer we jot down. So assuming it is not giving us the answer we jot down, then we have to test option C. We will have to test option D. But this option gave us the answer we jotted down. So that means we are good to go. We are good to go to the what? To the next question. I hope you understand. For those that they understand before, I hope you understand it now. I hope you understand it now. I want to give you questions so you can solve at your own free time. Okay, you can solve at your own free time and get it. So if you understand, let me know in the comment section that you understand. Drop your fire emoji, drop your understanding emoji, drop everything that you know that you understand in the comment section. I will move over to what we have. All right. I can see some people said clear. Sharp, I understand. Okay, right on. All right. So please, if you understand this, drop it in the comment section that you understand. Let's move over to what we have. Let's move over to what we have. Okay. Let's move over to the slide. Okay, this is the option, or these are the options rather. So you can write it down. If you've not written it down, you can write it down. All right, let's move on to what we have. Let's move on to what we have. Now, I want to give you some questions on integration without limit and integration with limit. Someone asks, how will I know it is without limit and how will I know it is with limits? Okay, now if you check this question just tell you integrate. You understand? It did not give you upper and lower limits. But the first question I gave was telling us to use upper limits, was telling us to use lower limits. So the question will just come direct. They will just say integrate 2s. That is what without limits. But if they say integrate 2x with upper limit of -1, lower limit of -2, that is how you know it. So it's very, very straightforward. All right, so you can actually come to my question, my DM to ask for more questions. I'll give you more questions. Those that have attended this class, come to my DM. I'll give you more questions on integration without limits and integration with limits, so you can actually practice. So you can practice on your own time. Okay, okay. All right, all right. Now I want us to do limit at infinity because this is a straightforward question. By just looking at it, we can get our answer. By just looking at it, we can get our answer. We've done a lot of integration. Let's move to limit. Now, if you check limit at infinity, you'll be given a question like this. I have three laws that I'm going to give you. Three laws, three good laws I'm going to give you. The first law states that if the highest power of the numerator is greater than the highest power of the denominator, the highest power of the numerator is greater than the highest power of the denominator, your answer to that question is minus infinity. Your answer to that question is what? Minus infinity. So if you're having the highest power of x here and it is bigger than the highest power of the denominator, please just try and listen. Okay, listen. Okay, if there's a recap, I will tell you. So just follow what I'm actually telling you now. If there's a recap, I will tell you. Okay, so if you're having the highest power of the numerator bigger than the highest power of the denominator, you know the numerator is up, denominator is what? Down. Your answer to that question is minus infinity. You don't need to stress yourself for limit at infinity question. Okay, okay. The second law states that if the highest power of the denominator, now denominator now, it is bigger than what? Numerator. The down one is bigger than the what? The up one. Your answer is what? 0. Do you understand? When down is bigger than up, let's use that English. When down is bigger than up, answer is 0. When up is bigger than down, answer is what? Minus infinity. But what if they are equal? The power of numerator up is the same thing as what? Down. You are going to have the coefficient of the numerator over the coefficient of the denominator. Coefficient means what is beside s. What is what? Beside s. So let's say this is our question and we have x is 4 raised to the power of 4 here and s is raised to the power of 5 here, or let's say 4 and 4, the same thing, equal. Numerator is the same thing as the down one. What is the answer going to be? Coefficient. What is beside s is what? A. What is beside s here is what? C. Right? From this f of x equals to, so your answer to that question will be A over C. I hope you understand. Let's look at some examples. Now, let's say the first one, it said limit x tends to infinity, x raised to the power of 3 plus x raised to the power of 2 plus 8 over x raised to the power of 4 plus 4x plus 9. What is the answer to this question? See, I did not expect any of my students to start solving a question like this. It is not possible. Just students will never solve a question like this. You can just look at it and know your answer. The highest power of the numerator is 3 for the first question. The down one is 4. That means down is bigger than up. Remember, second law states that when the denominator is bigger than up, what will your answer be? I want you to type the answer in the comment section. The answer of this number one question. What will your answer? Let's go back to the second law. The second law states that the highest power is of the numerator if it's greater than the highest power in the numerator. What will your answer be? The answer here is what? I don't want to say anything. So let's go back to this question. Highest power here is 4. Highest power of the numerator is 4. Is bigger than the one up, which is 3. What will your answer be? Obviously, your answer is going to be 0. Yes, Type it. The answer is going to be 0. Type it in the comment section if you don't understand it. Type it. The answer is going to be 0. Type it in the comment section. The answer is going to be 0. That is the first question. I'm talking about the first question. Okay, the first question. Okay, let's do the second question. I want you to type the second question answer. Because highest power of the numerator is 5. The second question, highest power is 5. And the highest power in the denominator, which is the lower one, is what? 4. This is the first law. First law states that when highest power of the numerator is bigger than the lower one. Let's go back to the first law. Your answer will be what? I don't want to say it. So type the answer of the second question in the comment section. Yeah, I can see a lot of you are following. I can see Marvel, I can see Wasiu, I can see Sunday, I can see Matrix Studios. A lot of you are following. That is what I want. So I don't expect you to start solving a question like this when you come to limit at infinity. The number 2 question will be what? Minus infinity, because the highest power of x up is 5 and it's bigger than the one down, which is 4. So your answer is what? Minus what? Infinity. Minus what? Infinity. Negative infinity. Minus infinity. Anyone. Now I want you to tell me the answer of number 3. The highest power is 4. The highest power is what? 4 at the numerator. At the denominator, the highest power is 4. Remember, you're taking the coefficient. The coefficient of the one up is what? There's an invisible one there. And the coefficient of the one down is what? There's 2. So your answer will be what? Type it in the comment section. Type it in the comment section. You're not actually using the power. You're using the coefficient. The coefficient. Coefficient of the one there is 1. Of the numerator is 1. The coefficient of the denominator is what? 2. So your answer will be what? 1 over 2. Your answer will be what? 1 over 2. I hope that is clear. Hey, all right. I can see a lot of persons typing 1 over 2. Type the answer in the comment section if you got it. If you got it, type the answer. 1 over 2. That is good. That is good. That is good. That is good. I can see Matrix Studio. I can see Marvel. I can see Wasiu. I can see. Type the answer in the comment section. I can see a lot of persons typing their answers. That is good. Now, please, I hope you understand. If it is clear, you can tell me to write down so we can move over. We have a lot of things to say. We have a lot of things to do. We have a lot of things to do. We have a lot of things to do. If you understand, type in the comment section that you understand. Type it in the comment section that you understand. You can drop your fire emoji. You can drop your understanding emoji, like I used to say. You can drop right on, sir, and the rest. Okay. All right. So that is that for limits at what infinity. Now for the third question, let me just do a recap for the third question. Now this third question, you're having x raised to the power of 4 here, and you're having 2x raised to the power of 4 here. 4 and 4 and 4, they are the same thing. 4 is equals to 4, isn't it? It is the third law. Third law say you are taking the coefficient of the numerator, the power of the numerator, and the coefficient of the power of the what? The denominator. So the coefficient here is what? 1. Coefficient here is what? 1. The coefficient here is what? 2. What is beside s? Obviously, you have invisible one that we cannot see, isn't it? Here we have 2. So your answer to this question will be 1 over 2. Finish. Once you see 1 over 2 in the option, press, just go and tick it. I hope you understand. All right. So we'll move over to some questions. I would like to give you some questions on limit at infinity. I would like to give you some questions on limit at infinity. If you're having issue, you can come to my DM. I will reply that. Okay, you can come to my DM and I will what? Reply that. So if you're having issues, like I said, you can come to my DM. So I want to give some questions, so you can also come to my DM and I'll reply that. We have a lot of things to do. Okay. Now, for some questions, I will drop it. I'll not drop it in the group. I'll drop it on my DM. So those that attend the class can just chat me and get to me, as they can use it to practice. They can use it to what? To practice. So there's a lot of things to do. I would like to do differentiation, but our time is past spent. We spent almost, I don't want us to pass 1 hour here. I don't want us to pass 1 hour. We spent almost 1 hour here. So this is what we're going to do. Now, with the little we've done, I'm very sure you should know that all we'll be doing in MTH can be solved with your calculator or by just looking at the question. And because our time is fast spent, please and please don't think I am done with you. Don't think I am what? I am done with you. Never, I am not done. Okay, now I want to ask you some few questions. Please, I want everyone to pay attention and answer these questions. Now, let me ask you a few questions. What if I am ready to hold you in the hands to teach you everything concerning solving mathematics without solving? Throughout your stay in school, maybe from your 100 level, from your 200, 300, 400, 500, even though when you are done with 100 level, you are moving to 200 level, and I'm teaching you everything, will you let me know, hold you in the hands and guide you? Will you let me show you the secrets? Now, let me see if you want me to show you the secret or let me hold you in the hand and guide you, teaching you everything about mathematics. Type yes in the comment section. I just want to hold few persons. I'm not holding everybody. I can't teach everybody. Okay, so I just want few persons. So type yes in the comment section. If you want me to hold you and guide you, type yes in the comment section that you want me to hold you and guide you and teach you everything in mathematics, from your 100 level to your 400 to your 300 to your 500. I want to see yes. I want to see yes. I want to see yes in the comment section. Type yes. You want me to hold you, you want me to guide you. If you've not commented on this place, please let me know. Let me know. Type yes in the comment section that you want me to guide you, you want me to teach you. All right, all right, all right. A lot of you are typing yes. That's good. Now, what if I am ready to show you the secret? I want to ask you another question. I'm ready to show you the secret of how I and my students have been killing our mathematics exam. Our MTH 102, our MTH 111, our MTH 121, our 102, and the rest. You want me to show you the secret? Will you want me to show you the secret? Do you want to know the secret? Type yes, I want to know the secret. Now, this time, type yes, I want to know the secret. I want to see those people that are following. Type yes, I want to know the secret. Yes, I want to know the secret. If you want me to show you the secret, it's not for everybody. I cannot show everybody. Okay, I cannot show everybody. So type yes, I want to know the secret. Yes, I want to know the secret. If you've not commented before, please, this is the time for you to answer my question, because it's only those that have dropped their comment that I'm going to teach. Type yes, I want to know the secret. Very good, very good. I can see a lot of persons, they are typing yes, because I will show you how we are actually killing our mathematics exams, how we are passing with flying colors. All right, type yes, I want to know the secret. Type yes, I want to know the secret. Now, for differentiation, it is easy. We can actually do it. Okay, so type yes, I want to know the secret. That is good. I'm seeing a lot of persons typing yes, they want to know the secret. Good, good, good. Now, if your answer were yes, if you've answered yes, if you answer no, please, this is not for you. If you've answered yes, let me introduce you to my online course that contains over 75 plus videos. Now, I have done a video of everything you need to learn. Everything. Oh, is it your differentiation? Is it your integration? Is it your further maths? Anything you want to know concerning mathematics, I have done video, and everything is about 75 plus. Wow, that is a whole lot. So it's just for you to get into it and watch it and understand it. I tag this course because I later put everything together. I put everything together and I tag it how to solve mathematics without solving blueprints. How to solve mathematics without solving blueprints. Because we can just look at our question and know our answer. We can just look at our question and know our answer. So I am introducing you to this 75 plus video course that I have put together that you can actually learn, and you can get it by yourself and learn. Now, this 75 plus video, let me introduce you to what is inside. Here's a snippet of what you will see in my how to solve mathematics without solving blueprint, because I divided it into to 8 parts. Now, the first part is number system and operation. You are going to learn everything concerning numbers, about number base, your complex number, your number line, everything about numbers. You will learn it in the part 1. The part two, you are going to be learning sequence, series, and equation. Everything about your AP, your GP, your quadratic equation, your trigonometry, your anything about integration, you'll be learning it in the part two. Your part three, you're going to be learning about everything about algebraic manipulation. Is it your partial fraction? Is it your anything about algebra? You're going to be learning it in the part three. In the part four, you're going to be learning trigonometries, how to use your cosec, your sine, your inverse of anything about trigonometry and function. You'll be learning it. Your part five, those of you are saying you want to learn differentiation, you want to learn anything you want to learn under calculus. Your integration, you will learn it. You see a lot of questions, you will learn it. The videos are a lot, so it's just for you to go there. This what we are just doing now is just there's what we call tospi. You understand? It's just like we are just scratching the surface. So you learn everything about calculus in part five when you get this my course. You will learn everything about linear algebra, your matrix, your vectors. You will learn it in your part six. You learn everything about probabilities, your combinatories, your permutation and combination. You learn it in part seven, how you can look at it and get to understand it. You also learn about statistics, your mean, median, mode, your range, your mean deviation, your standard deviation, your regression. You learn it in part eight. So you can see that this is a whole lot for you. There's a whole lot for you. There is a whole lot for you to learn. Even this one we just did now is just an introduction. You understand? Very good. Now, I'm very sure you are excited that you are getting a whole lot from this course, right? And you may think I'm done with you. This is just the beginning. Now, when we get the course how to solve mathematics with that solving, you will start a chance to get other bonuses from me. You're not only getting that course, you stand a chance to get other bonuses from me. Now, these bonuses are access to my student support group. You are going to join my group, and I tag that group Super what? Mathemagician. Super Mathemagician. This group is actually where my students, my real students, join, and we do a class like this every weekend, and they are learning a whole lot even after getting the course. So even though you get to your 500 level, your 400 level, you are still going to be learning with Tutor Josh. You are going to have direct access to me and other tutors, which is number two. Direct access to me. I'm not the only one that can solve mathematics without solving. I have students that I've trained that are now tutors that are teaching others. So direct access to me and them. You can see from this screen, someone came to me about around 9:42 and asked me a question. He said, please, sir, I've forgotten how to initialize the number. I just sent him 20-second voice notes. This was around 9:43. This is PM. I should have been sleeping by that time. But so far, you are my students. You are getting direct access to me. And after the end of the day, he said, okay, sir, I've gotten it. Thanks. So you can see you are getting a whole lot from me. Okay. You are going to be getting free mathematics material and remain my student for life. Okay, you are going to be getting mathematics material every month. Like I said, after this class, you can come and meet me for some more questions. I can give them to you. This material actually what is worth 30,000 naira, but you're not paying for it. You are not paying for it. You just need to get access to my course. You're also going to be getting weekly mathematics classes from me and other experienced tutors. So we'll be organizing a class like this every week that you will need to join. Now, this is a free class. You just need to get access to my blueprint, how to solve mathematics without solving. You have direct access to my 5 magic blueprint or guide that is going to prepare you for your coming examination. Okay, so if you're actually having exam, probably you're going to have been getting this 5 magic guide on how to prepare for your coming examination. You understand? So there's another bonus for you. The best student that is going to score 95 in their general exam or in their general mathematics exam using this my guide, okay, using this my guide is going to get a cash prize of 10,000 naira. So imagine you getting access to my course and you're having 10,000 naira at the end of the day after becoming the best student. That is not what you should joke with, right? That is not what you should joke with. Okay, so this is also what you need to do. This is why you need to get access to my course. Now, that is not all. I also have an extra bonus for you. I have an extra bonus for you. Now, what is this bonus? I will teach you how you can actually teach others or teach your colleagues what you've learned from my course, and you're also going to use it to what make extra money for yourself. So this is not what you should joke with. This is not a course you should what you should joke with, or you should what you should tolerate. Now you can see that you are actually getting a whole lot from this course. You can see you're getting a whole lot from this course, right? Good. Now, with all what you've heard, you will know that this online course is a high value course and you should not joke with it. All what you're getting will never be taught in your class or elsewhere. Even though the course is placed at an high price or at a price, it is worth it. Let me tell you, it is what? It is worth it. It is what? It is worth it. Okay? It is worth it if it's placed at a price. The cost price actually is 10,000 naira, and I think it's fair enough. It is fair enough. Now, let me tell you something. Because you've stayed to the end of this class, you've stayed to the end of this meeting, you won't be getting it for that price. You won't be getting it for that price. All right, because you've stayed to the end. We are over 1 hour here, and because you've stayed to this part, you won't be getting this another extra bonus for you. All right, now you won't be getting it for 10,000, like I said, but I'll be giving it for just 5,000 naira. Wow, that is like 50% of the price for just 5,000 naira. This is something you should take advantage of, right? But it's not for everybody. It is not for everybody. To get how to solve mathematics without solving for 5,000 naira, it is not for everybody. I repeat. Now, the first 5 persons, just 5, okay, just 5. It is not for everybody, just for 5 persons. The first 5 persons that we want to get how to solve mathematics without solving. Do you want to be among the first selected 5 to get my blueprint on how to solve mathematics without solving? Just for 5 persons. Just for 5 persons. Now, you just need to make a transfer of 5,000 naira to this account number showing on your screen. You just need to make a transfer of what? 5,000 naira to this account showing on your screen. And after you're done, you can send your payment receipt to my DM and comment paid in the comment section. You send your payment receipt to my DM, you also comment paid in the comment section, and I'm going to confirm it, and I'm going to give you access to my course. That is very good. It's very good. Just send. You can make the transfer now to this account number, send the payment receipt to my DM, and you can come back and comment paid in the comment section. Just for 5. After the 5th person, the price move over to 10,000 naira back. Okay, so the first 5 person is going to get the course for 5,000 naira. After getting the course, getting to watch all the videos and getting to watch every of my class I have taught before, getting the replay and everything, you are also going to get these bonuses from me: access to my student group, direct access to me and other tutors, the free mathematics guide that will teach you how to become mathematician for life. My weekly class, will be attending classes like this every week. You get 5 magic guide on how to prepare for your coming examinations. Okay, when you become the best student in your school, you are going to be getting a cash prize from me. I'm going to be transferring 10,000 to you, but you need to show me some receipts or some results. Okay, that is not all. There's also an extra bonuses. I will teach you how to teach other students, and you use it to make extra money for yourself. All right, so it is just for what? 5,000 naira for the first 5. So if you want to be among the first 5, you can send the payment receipt or send the money to this account number showing on your screen: 017 603 6699, GT Bank, Joshua Omolame Francis. And once you send it, you are going to send me the payment receipt. After sending me the payment receipt, you can also comment paid in the comment section. You can comment paid in the comment section, and I am going to give you access to my blueprint. All right, I will start counting now. Just the first 5. After the 5, we can actually go over and end the class. All right, after the first 5 person have gotten it, we can end the class. So I'm going to focus on the blueprint. I'm going to focus on those that have gotten the blueprint. All right, because it is not for everybody. It is not for everybody. It is not for everybody, like I said. Just for the first 5 persons. Just for the first 5 persons. So you can actually send it. I'll be checking the alert now, and for the first five, or where's my phone? For the first five, then after that we are done. Then focus on those five persons, and show them this secret, show them more secrets. Okay, okay. You can send the payment receipt if you're done. You can send the payment receipt if you're done. Then after that, we are going to end the class straight. We are going to end this class straight. So I'll know that I'm focusing on just five persons, and those people that want to take their results serious. Those people that want to take their results serious. Those people that want to take their results. Now, this 5K you're paying is not just for your 100 level, it's not just for your jam bites, or probably your 200 level. You are paying it for the rest of your mathematics. If you are doing mathematics in 400 level, my blueprint is going to teach you how to solve that mathematics without solving. My blueprint is going to teach you how to solve mathematics without solving. So you understand. So please and please and please, I'm going to be confirming some receipts. Then I'm going to be counting it. All right, I've seen. Okay, I've seen one person. Someone has made the transfer. Please, you can actually come back. I don't know if you're here. You can come back and comment paid in the comment section. You come back and comment paid in the comment section, and after that, we are ending the class as soon as possible. We are over 1 hour 6 minutes here, so I don't want anyone to actually, because we're actually using our data, we are using our subscription to watch this class. So you can actually come back to the comment section and comment paid. All right, all right, all right, all right. And I am checking. Okay, the class is going to end very soon. The class is going to end just once the fifth person make the transfer, and we are done. Mind you, after this class, you are not going to get the blueprint for 5,000 naira again. Okay, it's going to skyrocket to 10,000 naira. So you can make your transfer now to this account number showing on your screen, and after that, we are going to end the class. We are going to end the class. So make, while we are still live, you can actually be doing your transaction. And please, if you're having network issues, because I'm seeing someone is saying he have network issue on my WhatsApp. If you're having network issues, please let me know. Let me know on my DM. Okay, let me know on my DM. Okay, I've seen the second person. Okay, just remain three. Just remain three. After that, we end the class. After that, we end the class. So if you're having network issue, let me know in the comment section, and I am going to tell you, probably when your network is back, you can get it for the same amount. But if you don't let me know, you come back, you might want to get it for what? For 10,000 naira. Okay, you might want to get it for what? 10,000 naira. It is actually 5,000 naira now. It's at a discount price, so you can make the transfer on the account number showing on your screen. You can make the transfer on the account number showing on your screen, and get access to the blueprint. Okay, okay, I've seen the third person. Just remain two. Just remain two, and we end the class. Just remain two, and we end the class. We spent over 1 hour 8 minutes. So just remain two persons, and we end the class. Mind you, it is not for everybody. It is not for everybody. I'm not going to do a discount like this again. There will not be a discount like this again. Okay, there won't be a discount like this again. All right, all right, all right. We'll be ending soon. We'll be ending the class soon. Okay. So please, if you've done your transfer, please just put paid in the comment section. Just put paid. Just put paid in the comment section. I've confirmed three. I've confirmed three. I've confirmed three. So once the last two cents, we are ending the class direct. We are ending it instantly. I've confirmed 3. So if you've done your own transfer, just comment paid in the comment section. Send the receipt to me. I'm going to reply you shortly. I'm just counting it. I'm going to reply you after the live class is over. I'll reply you, and after I reply to you, I'll give you access to the blueprint. Now you're getting this course to become my student for life. I'm not going to host any free class, even though you get to 400 level, 200 level, you'll be looking for how to solve math, because obviously you need time, you need to beat the time. And a lot of what we've learned is what you can actually do to beat the time in the comment section, or in your exam rather. So just comment paid, send the transfer to the alert or the receipt to my account, and I'm going to give you access to the class after this class. Okay, after this live session. Once I end it, I'm going to reply your message shortly. Okay, I'm going to reply your message shortly. Okay, I've seen the fourth person. I've seen the fourth person. I've seen the fourth person. So just remain one. Just remain one. After the one the next person, or the after one person just send the transfer, and we are done. We are done. Okay, we are done. This is just the only people I am going to take serious, because even though they get to 200 level, they are still going to be learning how to solve mathematics. For me, imagine that you get to 500 level, you are learning it because you've gotten this one-time payment. This is a one-time payment, okay? It is a what? One-time payment. You don't need to pay again to the judge. And to the judge will never hold any free classes again like this. Okay, I will never hold any free classes again like this. This is actually a final class on how to solve mathematics without solving tutorial. This is the final class. Probably if I want to hold a class, it will be in our group chats, where we'll be learning it for those that are going to be writing exams or writing tests or anything at the end of the day. So let me just do a recap of what you're getting. You're getting my blueprint how to solve mathematics without solving, right? You're getting my blueprint how to solve mathematics, and the blueprint comprises of 8 parts. The part 1, you're learning number system and operation. Part 2, you're learning sequence, series, and equation. Part 3, you're learning algebraic manipulation, which is your partial fraction, your fractions, and everything. Your trigonometry is part 4. Your calculus. So those of you that want to learn differentiation, this is actually a good part why you should get the course. The calculus is there, differentiation is there rather. Then you'll be learning linear algebra, your matrix, your vectors, anything that concern linear algebra, you're going to be learning it in part 6. You'll be learning about probabilities and combinatories. Your probabilities, your permutation, your combination, it can actually be solved without solving. You'll be learning about statistics. Those of you that will be writing statistics exams, your mean median mode, your range, you'll be learning it in part 8. You are also going to get access to my student support group. I target super mathematician. You have access to me and other tutors. These students, once they come to my DM, I'm always replying them, just like the image you can see on your screen. Okay, you are going to have free mathematics guide on how to become a good mathematics student. Okay, this mathematics student, or free mathematics material that I remain my students for life. You are going to be having weekly classes from me and other experienced tutors. These are tutors that actually used to hold classes like this. You are going to have 5 magic guide on how to prepare for any coming examination. Once you become my best student, now this best student is not for those that will just come to my DM and say, sir, I got 95 over 100, send me 10,000 naira. This best student is for those that have gotten my blueprint. So once you get to my DM and you've gotten my blueprint and you are actually becoming the best, I'm going to send you 10,000 naira. It's just like a compensation, or just like a reward. So that is not all. I have an extra bonus. This extra bonus, I will teach you how to teach others and your colleagues what you've learned from the course, and make an extra money by teaching them. So you're also going to be learning how to make money from me by teaching others. This is not me. I will teach you how to do it, and you go and do it. You're just going to tell me what you do, and I'm going to tell you how to do everything. Okay? All right, so with all that, the course is actually priced at what, 10,000 naira, but you are not getting it for what, for 10,000 naira. You are getting it for 5,000 naira, and it's just for 5 persons. It is just for what, for 5 persons, which I think Far has gotten it now. All right, Far has gotten it. Just remain one. Just remain one. So you have to what, send 5,000 naira to this account number showing on your screen and get access to the blueprint. And after that, we are going to end this live session. And please, after this live session, no one to come and meet me and say, "Sir, please, I want to get it." If you want to get it, you should be ready to get it for 10,000 naira. Except probably you are watching the replay. Except you are watching the replay. Probably if the replay is available, I think it will be available. Yeah, the replay will be available. If you are watching the replay, you can actually come and meet me. But for those, because obviously I can see everyone here, so you are going to get it for what? For 10,000 naira after this. All right, so please make the transfer of 5,000 naira. It's at a discount now. This discount is going to end as soon as I end this live class. And once I end this live class, I will reply those people that have paid, and we are going to start our classes from there. Okay, okay, okay. We've spent over 1 hour 16 minutes. 1 hour 16 minutes. So this is the account number you have to send your 5,000 naira to, and send me rather the payment receipt, and I am going to give you access to the blueprint. If you've sent the payment receipt, please comment paid in the comment section. Comment paid. Okay, comment paid. And I'm going to give you access to the blueprint immediately after this class. Okay, immediately after this class, I'm going to give you access to the blueprint. All right, with that, I want to say we've come to the end of today's live section. I want to say we've come to the end of today's live session. I just hope you learned something from this live session. I just hope you've learned something from this live session. If you have any question, you can come to my DM. Probably, maybe you want to get it later on. You want to get it later on. Probably your money is not complete. You're trying to make the transfer. It is not going. Please come to my DM and make that complaint or issue to me. Okay. Probably your money is not complete. Come to my DM. You get it later on. Come to my DM also. My DM is open for questions and answer right away immediately I end this live class. Okay. For those of you asking for differentiation, you can actually get it from my course. Okay, you can get it from my course. Okay, you can get it from my course. My course is actually how to solve mathematics without solving blueprint. So to get it from my course, you have to just make the transfer of 5,000 naira to this account number, and you're not only getting differentiation, you're getting other topics in mathematics. Even though you get to 200 level, 3, 4, 500, you are going to be learning a lot about other topics. So it's just like you're saving yourself stress for the future. Okay, in future now, this course might actually be 15,000. Okay, but now you're getting it for just 5,000 naira. You're getting for just what, 5,000 naira. So if you want to make the transfer, you make the transfer to this account number showing on your screen. Send the receipt to my DM and comment paid in the comment section. If you have any issue, come to my DM. Like I said, the money is not complete. You are making the transfer is not going. Network issues, payment issues. My DM is open for that. My DM is what's open for that. When next you want to get it, my DM is open for that. All right. So I want to say thank you for staying to the end of this class, and I will like to end it now so you can actually focus on your book, keep reading, keep concentrating on your studies, because it is not easy. It is not easy actually. So you just have to keep doing well, keep doing the work, because your result is going to be massive if you are really doing the work. Your result is going to be massive. All right. So thank you for staying once again, and those that have gotten the course, I'm going to see you in my next class. All right. So those that have not gotten the course, the account number is still showing on your screen. You can make the transfer and get to my DM. So thank you everyone, thank you, and I'm going to see you probably in my DM if you have a question or any issues. Thank you once again. So bye.